Well, I think when you allow children to play video games, that parents need to think about possibly the 4 R's, which is ratings, research, reward, and restrictions. Sometimes parents don't even realize that all video games have ratings, just like the movies do, so that you can have a better understanding of what you're exposing your son and daughter to. And that, of course, takes a little bit of research. I would recommend that you look for video games that are strategy-based. There's a lot of studies out there that prove that video games can be healthy and good for your children. For small children, it really helps to coordinate hand and eye coordination, as well as fine-tuning motor skills. For older children, it really gives your brain quite a workout. You're using logic, you fine-tune your memory, you use this teamwork. It's a high level of thinking, problem solving. There's a lot of good things that go into that. But I also think that you can use video games as a reward. Of course, all parents have different things that they incorporate with their children, during the summer months or during the school year, but your schoolwork, of course, has to be a priority. You should actually work on your chores. Whatever works in your household. But I think that you actually also can use it as a reward system so that kids really want to get their work done so that they can play their video games, but use it more as a privilege instead of letting your kids think it's just their right that they should be able to play any video game that they want. And also restriction. The American Pediatric Association has recommended that children not spend more than 1 to 2 hours a day on all electronics. That is handheld electronics, video games, whatever kind of electronics that you have incorporated into your household. And then when you think about it, that's really not that much time. So as in all things, I think that a parent just needs to be wise and use moderation in all things that their kids do.